BMW's much-anticipated mid-weight adventure bike, the F450 GS, has been spotted testing in what appears to be a near-production guise. The latest test mule was seen sporting production-ready bodywork, strongly indicating that its official launch may be just around the corner. Visually, the design of the F450 GS remains faithful to the earlier concept, drawing clear inspiration from its larger sibling, the BMW R1300 GS. It features a distinctive front beak, a muscular and aggressively sculpted fuel tank with sharp shrouds, and a minimalist tail section, all giving the bike a rugged, adventure-ready appearance. Ergonomics seem to prioritize rider comfort, with high-mounted handlebars and neutrally positioned foot pegs promising a relaxed riding stance, especially for long-distance touring or off-road exploration. Under the skin, the F450 GS will be powered by a 450cc parallel twin engine, expected to produce around 48 brake horsepower and 45 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. On the suspension front, the bike is equipped with upside-down front forks, likely adjustable, though it remains to be seen whether they'll offer just preload adjustment or full adjustability for compression and rebound. At the rear, a monoshock handles damping duties. The motorcycle is built around a steel bridge trellis frame with a bolt-on subframe, ensuring a balance of strength and serviceability. The test bike rides on a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheel setup, with disc brakes at both ends. The BMW F450 GS is expected to come well equipped with a host of premium features. It will include full LED lighting for enhanced visibility, along with a color TFT display offering Bluetooth connectivity and built-in navigation. Riders will also benefit from adjustable brake and clutch levers for added comfort and customization. On the safety and performance front, the bike will feature dual-channel ABS, traction control, and multiple ride modes to suit various riding conditions. Notably, many enthusiasts are hoping BMW includes the option to switch off both ABS and traction control, a feature particularly valued for more aggressive off-road riding. With recent patent leaks and this latest prototype sighting, all signs point to the BMW F450 GS making its official debut sooner than expected. Once launched, it will fill the gap in BMW's lineup between the smaller G310 GS and the larger F800 GS, offering a compelling new option in the middleweight ADV segment.